How is soccer used for mission in the country of Kyrgyzstan? Winters in Kyrgyzstan are cold, too cold to play outside. But kids love to play year-round. So what are kids expected to do all winter? This was a big concern for school leaders at Heritage Christian School. The cold made it hard to have physical education classes. Students had to crowd into a small conference room to exercise. When the weather was nice, the school also hosted a community soccer program for children from low-income families. These kids didn't always have the opportunity to exercise and play sports. In the winter, the soccer field was completely covered in snow. So in 2017, Heritage Christian School asked Adventists around the world to help construct a building. And you answered.
В этом году у нас есть особый повод радоваться.
This year, we have a special reason to rejoice, because now we have a magnificent building. We were able to build this structure, a multifunctional complex, thanks to the General Conference's 13th Sabbath Offering Project.
Students and faculty are thrilled to use the building year-round. It hosts the community soccer program, as well as many other activities. The large building has several meeting areas. An important room is the space where students can gather to talk about their lives and encourage each other.
И, конечно же, мы мечтали о том, чтобы у нас появился спортивный зал.
And it doesn't only open its doors to our children and students. We also conduct many programs for teachers, parents, and the community. We invite parents and neighbors to listen to important topics on health, raising children, and strengthening family relationships.
Azamat's parents were worried about his education. He had developed an addiction to his computer and smartphone and had a hard time focusing on learning.
They chose our school, and so Azamat came here. It was difficult to deal with him because he did not know how to get along with his classmates. He often started quarrels and fights. He was very aggressive, unfriendly, and constantly experiencing anxiety. It was extremely difficult for him.
Someone invited him to join the soccer program. The coaches, other children, and the routine taught Azamat how to relate to others and be responsible for his actions. He excelled and learned the sport very quickly.
Today, Azamat has changed a lot. He is a wonderful young man who walks with God in his life, trusts Him, prays, and asks for wisdom from Him. And all thanks to the soccer school.
Many lives have been transformed by the influence of this school, and Azamat is just one of them. Thanks to your faithful giving to the 13th Sabbath offering, this building was constructed and is impacting more people than we'll ever know. But God knows each and every one.
Вы знаете, наблюдая за тем, как меняются ребята,
Watching how the young people change, how their vision of life changes, how the reassessment of values take place, you understand that all this is not in vain. God really has an amazing plan, and we feel amazed that He also chose us to participate in it.
выбрал и нас для того, чтобы мы могли в нем участвовать.
Please join us in praying for the people of Kyrgyzstan. May this school have a lasting impact on the community. And thank you for supporting the 13th Sabbath offering, which makes all of this possible.